Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how to update your drivers easily because your drivers need to be updated for your computer to be working perfectly, and that is the way that your hardware communicates with your software. So if you want to connect a printer, your microphone or your headphones and they are not working, you should try to update your drivers because that may help them work fine. So, first of all, the easiest way to update your drivers in Windows 10 is using Device Manager. So you can write it on the search and see, it comes up here. When you open Device Manager, there is different drivers that you can update here. So here are audio inputs and outputs, cameras, computer, disk drives, etc. etc. So if you want to update your keyboard drivers or mouse drivers, just press it, and here you can press on your right click and click on update driver. You can choose to browse your computer drivers and install them manually, but it's best for your computer to search them on Windows because those are drivers that are recommended for your computer. See, I already updated my drivers, so it says that the best drivers for my device are already installed. But that's just one way to update your drivers. There's a second way of updating your drivers. If you can't make your headphones, printer, or something work, you can always use different driver updaters. So this is just the one that I personally chose for this video. So I will open it right now, but you can always choose a different one because maybe you have a different preference. Okay, so you can click on scan. It won't harm anything, I swear. Okay, so it scanned all of my drivers. So if you want, you can upgrade to Pro Edition, which updates all of your drivers and finds the best drivers for your computer. But if you can also choose auto update or auto backup here. But see, all of my drivers are up to date, so I don't have to actually update anything. See, here's a few drivers that I can update, but I usually don't do this because I think that the Windows finds the best drivers for you. But if you have problems with your graphics card, with your processor or something, you can always find it here and try to update it with the drivers that are on the internet. So these are the two ways. I also wanted to show you how to update your drivers, graphics card drivers, with GeForce Experience. So if you have a NVIDIA GeForce graphics card, you will have this program come with your computer, or you will need to download it on the internet, but it's the easy way of updating your graphics card drivers. So I will wait for it to load. You press on the drivers. It usually works a lot faster, but because I am recording, it's a little slower. So see, I downloaded GeForce Game Ready drivers because I like to play games on my computer, but and right now I will update this driver, but I won't do it on camera because it will take a lot of time from this video. I just want to show you that you have game ready drivers which are the best for gaming, and if you play games you can use them. But if you are a creator, if you like to use Photoshop, if you like to use some programs to make videos, to sketch, to draw some, or do things that are with those programs that help you create, you have studio drivers. So see, if I click on studio drivers, it will change and it will give me the newest NVIDIA studio drivers. And when I download this, the apps like Photoshop, Adobe, After Effects, and programs like this will work much smoother and much better. And yeah, that's it for today. I will put my game ready driver to download and right now, and with just one click you update it. So that's all for my video. Thank you for your attention, and I hope that I helped and showed you how to do it the easiest way. Thank you. Goodbye.